Do you have problems with your TikTok audio being delayed? Well, then you have come to the right video, because before I used to have the exact same problem myself on my account, and then I did this one thing that I'm just going to show you right now, and that fixed it all for me basically, and after that it just worked. So basically what you need to do firstly is to go into your TikTok profile right here, as you can see. And what you need to do after that is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and in here I'm just going to click where it says settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy, and then you should be taken here. Now in here I'm just going to scroll down, and then I'm going to click where it says report a problem. So click on report a problem, and it's just going to load here for us perfectly. As you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. I'm just going to scroll down and click on submit a report, and here just going to load. So just a second. Perfectly. As you can see, what you need to write to TikTok is like this: I'm having issues with my TikTok audio being delayed. I need this to be fixed for my account. You can even specify it more if you want to. For example, is it that your TikTok audio is being delayed on other TikToks that you watch, or is it only the TikToks that you've actually uploaded yourself? So you can also specify it if you want to, or if it's both, like if it's like both on the other TikToks and on your TikTok as well, that the audio is being delayed, well then you can write exactly like this that I did right now, and then click on submit. So basically it took about 2 business days for it to be fixed for me. So hopefully after 1 to 3 business days this should be fixed for you as well. I hope so, at least. So yeah, basically this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.